money should work for you. I tell people that people learn to drive, people learn to do everything, but nobody wants to learn about how money works. So invest a lot of time in education to learn about this. Everybody says you have to be an entrepreneur, you have to be a this. It's normal for us to have a job and a business. So we always have something like that.
You're going to craft some budgets, but make sure you be realistic. Because if you're not realistic, you're going to break it tomorrow. We usually try to do budgets, but after just 1 week, you're not following the budget anymore because it wasn't even realistic in the first place. You forgot to mention that you're going to go out with your friends. So it's very important to consider that as well. Otherwise, you are going to be disappointed by yourself to meet with a financial distress, which is one of the reasons of mental health problems.
Blood donation. You're saving someone's life.
Especially those mothers who are likely to give birth.
It helps us to know our group type.
We are also helping ourselves to boost our immune system.
And you're helping yourself to have a little chance of getting cancer.
Today we are doing project management. If you want, you can be a developer. The skills are online. How we can boost our learning and productivity using AI. AI will be doing the routine tasks, but we know there are some areas where AI cannot take over, like in critical thinking. So how can we use AI in our studies to create your personalized learning?
Finding purpose in the middle of chaos is something that has always resonated with me, even at this moment. We at Career Access Africa have written a curriculum that teaches young people in high schools soft skills and career guidance knowledge that can help them make meaning of their lives.
I don't feel like I've totally figured out what my purpose is going to be, but on the way to figuring that out, it's important to just start from where you're standing. If you don't know what your purpose is, just do anything. If there is an opportunity, jump on it and see how that makes you feel. Whenever you figure or feel that something is right, you just follow your heart.
We have learned new terms, depression, anxiety, trauma, but sometimes when you look at it from a deeper point of view, it's the pressure you're giving yourself for following the wrong people. We need to focus, what do you want to do tomorrow? Do you want to follow my IG, enjoy my stories, and live your life based on my stories? No one is posting how they're failing in life. So this is for you to say, am I learning from this person or their distraction?
There are 4 things about us. The first one is your physical and mental being. The second one is what I call your family and social being. The third one is your career or professional life. And the last one is your financial well-being.